So you're missing a tooth or multiple teeth, and you're wondering, what are my options for filling this space? We have several options for you. The least expensive option tends to be a removable partial denture, or sometimes just called a partial. This is an acrylic removable device that you can take in and out. The benefit of a partial is that it can fill multiple spaces at one time. So if you have multiple missing teeth, a partial can be a great way to go. We use the most aesthetic materials so that you don't see metal clasping when you smile, and they really can look great. Another option can be a fixed bridge, a fixed partial denture people will call it, or just a bridge. This is a porcelain piece that is made by crowning teeth on either side of your missing tooth space. Those crowns are fused together by a fake tooth that fills the space, so ultimately it's just one piece that we cement in. And yet another option to fill a missing space is a dental implant. Implants are most like a natural tooth in that you can floss around them as a natural tooth. They also tend to be the more conservative option. We don't have to do dentistry to the neighboring teeth, so it can be a great way to go. Please come see us here at Smile Blue Ridge. We'll be happy to talk to you about your individual needs, your specific situation, and we'll come up with the best option for you.